Hi, in this video we'll be looking at how you can remove a post or comment that was posted by a student. Now, if a student actually made a comment on the stream that you for some reason believe that it has content that may be questionable, etc., you can go ahead and you can either mute that student by going to the option here for more, just beside the comment of the student, and you have the option to remove the comment altogether or mute the student, meaning prevent the student from actually making additional comments on the stream. All right, so I'm going to go ahead here and just remove by clicking on delete. And I do that, I have a confirmation here that says, are you sure you want to delete this comment? And I'm going to say, yeah. Well, I'm going to click on delete, and that should actually remove that comment from the stream, so it won't be viewed there again. All right, so I hope that this particular video helped you in terms of managing comments, students' comments on your stream in your classes. And this is a good way to, minimize certain things from happening where students' comments may be, as I said, questionable or maybe indecent, etc. You can just remove those, or as I said, you can also prevent the student from making additional comments by going to the option for mute student, and once you do that, then the student wouldn't be able to make additional comments on the stream. So thank you for watching this video. Once again, share and leave a comment. Let me know how you're using Google Classroom and what additional questions you have and videos that you'd like to see. All right, so thanks for watching and see you in our next video.